Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be opening the Koala Crate, and I'm excited to open this. My daughter is excited to have it open. And so if you are new to my channel, I created this channel as a homeschooling resource to give you unboxings, which is what we're doing today, to give you curriculum ideas, organizational ideas, and ways to invite Christ into your homeschool space. So if you're interested in those things, please hit that subscribe button. And let's open this crate. Okay, so the Koala Crate this month is reptiles. I don't really like reptiles, but you know, when they're not real, that's fine, but I don't really like the real reptiles. They're not my favorite. I can deal with rats all day long. I used to have pet rats, but reptiles, I can't do it. I don't know why. It says make a cuddly snake friend. That doesn't even go in the same sentence. A cuddly snake friend? Who thinks a snake is cuddly? Come on now. A color changing chameleon and a special turtle box. So those all sound really fun, besides the idea that a snake is not cuddly, and in no universe will ever be cuddly. Keep all the snakes away from me. Anyway, obviously you know I don't like reptiles, but these are little instructions here. So that's our cuddly snake. And then we're gonna flip them out, and it's gonna give us our projects we're doing. So a stuffed snake friend, you know, the chameleon, and then the turtle box over here. And then it will also tell us how messy it is, how hard, you know, if they need a lot more parent help and stuff like that. And then we have our little booklet that's gonna give us some different things about reptiles in here, maybe how they move, and then another activity in the back. So there's a lot of great resources in here. And then we have lots of fluff in here for our snake probably. Look at all that. And then I think is this our snake? I think so. Here he is. So we're gonna stuff this guy all full of stuff. And then we have our little blow things, the most annoying toys ever. I'm sure we'll love this crate. I'm making it sound like it's the worst idea ever right now. I don't even know what these are called, like the little party, you know, and they go out. That was the best explanation you will ever find of those. And then we have our little box for our turtle. This is a really nice box. And then we have a whole bunch of sticker things. These have eyeballs all on them. And then we have some Velcro right here, just small ones. But then we have more stickers, a variety of colors right here. These are always really great. They're great for young kids. I feel like they're easy stickers to pull off. Sometimes like a normal sticker that's flat on a sheet is so hard for young kids, and their fine motor skills just aren't there yet. But these ones are felt, and they're just really easy for my daughter to pull off. And then we have our turtle that's gonna go on here, and our chameleon. Oh, I bet that's what these like party popper streamer things are for, is this little guy. And then let me get this out. It's like stuck in here. We have this in here. Oh, I don't know what all these are for, but this looks pretty cool. So they have different animal names on them. So I'm excited to see what we use all this stuff for. And I'm sure my daughter will love it. And obviously they're not real. So I'll love it too, because it's not real reptiles. Don't send me real reptiles. But I'm gonna let her get at it, and we will let you know how it goes. so Lydia finished doing her koala crate and she had fun, didn't you? Yeah, you had fun, huh? So do you want to show them the stuff you made? What do you want to show them first? The snake. We have a snake right here. And it has a little party thing. I still don't know what these things are called, but she loves to blow it. So I thought that was cute. She had such a blast when she figured out what these did. She just was giggling her little head off and just kept blowing it. It was really cute. Okay, what do you want to show them next? Our chameleon also has one. And so you can blow that one. Oh, there we go. And it has these little, they're like bugs, a fruit fly, a super worm, and a grain beetle. And so you can set them on your table and then use your chameleon, huh? You use your chameleon and you blow and you can knock them over. Choo! And they'll fall over like he's eating, I guess. Those would be things that the chameleon would eat. And then the last thing we have is our turtle. That's his underside. She's pulling the top off, so you can put whatever you want in there. More things for kids to store all their stuff. And we gotta make sure it's lined up. And then on the top, she decorated a little bit with the same pieces of the snake. And so it does tell you that you use like 3/4 of these for the snake and then 1/4 for here. So I just cut them off so that she wouldn't use this many. So I just saved 4 from each color for her to decorate this. And so I just cut 4 off of each one so that she wouldn't be tempted to use all of them when I wasn't looking. And so we have our turtle that also underneath, what does he do, Liddy? What does our turtle do? He hides, huh? He likes to hide. And so he has a little Velcro on him. I wouldn't say that it works super well. It doesn't stick very, very well, but he'll hide underneath. And I just thought that was cute. You know, when they get scared, they tuck up in their shells. And so you can have them hidden or you could have them out. And I just thought it was a really cute idea. So I feel like for the most part, this was fairly easy. Even in here, the little instructions for parents, it shows that there's no like very low messiness, which is true. There's nothing messy in here because it's just like stickers and then foam, like the stuffy foam stuff. And then all these were medium parent involvement, which I think is pretty true. She needed very, very little help from me. Are you showing him the turtle? The only thing I would say needed the most help was the snake, just because it's a lot of stuffing. She probably could have done it by herself. It just would have taken a really long time. So if your kid is entertained and will sit there for an hour or maybe 2 and just stuff the snake, then you can do that. But also something I thought was cool about this snake, can you put the turtle down for a sec, was the way that they have the openings at the end. So these just flip over like little baby mittens. And the hole's right here, so you can put the stuffing there, but then it just is really easy for kids to close it. So it had that on both sides. Now she's like, oh, I wanna see. But then I stuffed one side while she stuffed the other, just because I knew it would take her a really long time. And it shows to use a pencil, I think, in here if you want. So right here, it says you can use a pencil to try to get the stuffing in the middle, you know, because our snake is huge. But I didn't feel like that worked very well. Are you gonna blow it some more for us? So I just used, okay, hold on, you can blow it after. So I just used my fingers to stuff the stuffing further in, and that worked pretty well. I do have longer fingers, but I feel like it's easier for an adult to be able to do that because kids' hands are very, very long. Obviously their hands are small, but okay, hold on. She just wants to blow it. It's just so fun. Okay, let's put it down for a second. We're almost done. And so the snake was probably the hardest, longest type thing just because the stuffing was a little bit complicated and there was a lot of it. But other than that, I thought everything was pretty easy. Again, as you can see, she really loves to blow these little things, whatever they're called. Party horns is what it calls it on here. So we'll call it party horns. She loves to blow them, huh? And so we're excited to see what next month brings. Hopefully you can all hear me because I don't know if you can over that thing or not. But and if you enjoy seeing these videos, please give us a thumbs up. There you go. And we will see you next time.